Shrimp farming is a significant industry in Thailand, with the country being one of the world's leading shrimp producers and exporters. The sector has grown substantially since its inception in the 1970s, driven by a combination of factors such as favorable climate, technological advancements, and government support. We are in Prachuap Khirikhan province on Thailand's peninsula. To help improve water quality by increasing oxygen levels, most aquaculture farms use floating paddle wheel surface aerators. These aerators operate by rotating paddles that create a splashing effect, introducing atmospheric oxygen into water bodies. This process is vital for maintaining healthy conditions in fish and shrimp farms, as it reduces harmful algae growth, mitigates unpleasant odors, and lowers levels of dissolved gases like ammonia and hydrogen sulfide. These aerators have similarities to the Chai Pat Thana aerator, an invention by the late King Bhumibol Adulyadej of Thailand, designed to address water pollution by transferring oxygen to still water. The Chai Pat Thana aerator gained recognition for its environmental benefits, earning the king a patent in 1993, the first patent ever awarded to a monarch. In aquaculture farms, the use of floating paddle wheel surface aerators has proven to be beneficial for the environment. By preventing eutrophication and promoting aerobic decomposition of organic matter, they ensure a stable and healthy environment for aquatic species. The consistent operation of these aerators leads to improved growth rates and reduced mortality among farmed fish and shrimp. Shrimp are typically ready for harvest after 3 months, depending on the species and growth conditions. At this point, the pond is slowly drained, allowing shrimp to be funneled to a central point for collection, and nets are used to catch the shrimp as the water level is lowered. The primary species farmed in Thailand is the Pacific white shrimp, a species with the binomial name Lithopenes vanami, and also commonly known as white leg shrimp, and king prawn, and in Thai called coon cow, which literally means white shrimp. This species has largely replaced the black tiger shrimp, known scientifically as Perneus monodon, due to its faster growth rate and greater disease resistance. Shrimp farming is a multi-step process that began in this pond some 3 months earlier, with stocking larvae, known as post-larvae, typically purchased from hatcheries. The larvae are selected based on their health, species, and size. After the pond water is treated to ensure it's free from harmful pathogens, algae, and other contaminants, a process involving aeration, chemical treatments, or natural filtration methods, the post-larvae are introduced into the ponds at a specific density, depending on the pond size and the desired shrimp growth rate. The shrimp are fed a balanced diet that contains the nutrients necessary for their growth. This feed is usually a commercial shrimp feed containing proteins, vitamins, and minerals. During the growth period, water quality is closely monitored. Parameters like salinity, temperature, pH, dissolved oxygen, and ammonia levels are checked regularly to ensure optimal conditions. Measures are taken to prevent diseases that can devastate shrimp populations. This involves biosecurity practices, regular health checks, and, if needed, treatment with approved medications. Workers scoop shrimp from the net using large plastic baskets, forming a human conveyor belt to pass the catch along and bring it ashore, depositing it into plastic barrels on a waiting pickup truck. The Pacific white shrimp, is a high-value shrimp species that's widely farmed in Thailand. Known for its transparent body with white legs and a red tail, this shrimp is prized for its rapid growth, reaching up to 230 millimeters in length, and its adaptability to various salinity levels. Once this is done, the harvest is swiftly transported to a nearby makeshift facility for sorting, grading, and further processing. Here, the shrimp are transferred into larger plastic tanks filled with ice. The use of ice ensures that the shrimp remain cool and fresh throughout the handling stages and helps maintain the quality of the product. Underneath this tent, which shields workers from direct sunlight and heat, the shrimp are sorted by size and quality. They are then packed into appropriately sized baskets, weighed, and prepared for further processing, distribution, or direct sale. Thailand's shrimp farming industry has faced criticism due to its environmental impacts, including deforestation, mangrove destruction, water pollution, and disease outbreaks. There are also ongoing concerns about labor practices and human rights issues within the industry. In response, Thailand has introduced stricter regulations and encouraged sustainable practices to mitigate these issues. Following the harvest, the shrimp ponds are left desolate, providing an opportunity for birds like the common coot, a species of waterfowl known by its scientific name Fulica actra, to swoop in and scavenge for any remaining scraps to eat. While the common coot's primary diet consists of aquatic plants and vegetation, it is an opportunistic feeder and can eat small aquatic animals, including insects, snails, and crustaceans if they are present and accessible.